Oli olis! Hey guys! It's a new hair system from Lordhair. I'm really excited. This one is just an all skin base all the way around. I wanted to try something different today. So you just put it on. I am gonna work with it. Before we do that, you know how simple it is to apply this. With these kind of hair systems, because it's just all skin, you can literally put glue all over this on your scalp and then place this on top, or you can just put the hair tape. And I have one to demonstrate how simple it is. Now, I want to show you something that I'm going to show you only one side because I am going to trim this hair system to my liking, which also you can do. One thing that Lordhair does is that they do trim the hair. This time I told them to just leave it long, and so then I can kind of fiddle with it so I know what I don't and don't want. So look how simple. I've placed the tape all the way down. This, you can also get hair tape with them. So you can easily just get everything in one location, which is lordhair.com. I'm not gonna apply it all the way to the end because I am gonna trim a little bit just because it's my own personal liking. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna apply a little tape in the front and I should be good. Remove. I'm gonna show you just applying to it. I'm gonna fix this first before I fully adhere to it, but I wanna show you how simple it is to apply. Because I know where it falls in the back and how easily, because it's tape, I can remove it. Remember, when it's tape, you're gonna wanna push down and hold on to it. That's gonna be the easiest way. This is not up yet. Let me go fix it. I'll be right back, okay? And here we are with the system. And I have to show you, like, look how good the scalp looks. Just natural, really well. And the good thing is, once I trimmed it to my liking, because sometimes I'm hesitant to ask about the specifics of the length and so forth. It's because I also want to have leeway to kind of cut it on my own as well. I have a pretty nice size head, and so I just want to make sure that it fits to my liking, and I really, really like it. Look how good and clean, and you can kind of mess with it. I like the natural look where it doesn't look too tailored, if that makes sense. But if you need to, you can always just grab a little bit of hair system and just fix it to whatever you like. If you have any questions that are respectful, at lordhair.com or here in the comments. Thank you again. Dame un besito. I gotta go. Bye.